Hello everyone, my name is Siddhi and welcome to my channel Fat Fashion Fantasy. So in this episode, as the title suggests, it's a haul video and we have targeted D-Mart this time. Now D-Mart is known to almost everybody staying in the cities and the metro cities. So D-Mart is basically famous for the daily essentials, the groceries, the fresh fruits and vegetables, bed and bath and the plasticware. The section that we are going to target is the fashion section. Now D-Mart basically is a haul video because the price point and the quality of products that we get are quite reasonable. So that is why I consider D-Mart to be a very budget-friendly place to shop clothing wear. Now, in this episode, I have basically styled 5 outfits. However, a small disclaimer that I could not find a denim wear of my size, and thus I will be using the denim which is already in my wardrobe. However, the rest of the clothing items are from D-Mart, and I will actually flash the price on the screen. So I hope you like the video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey, I hope you like my video, and this is the subscribe button right over here. My previous videos, this one and here. So if you like the video, please like it. Comment down what you like, what you didn't like, anything about D-Mart, any other questions, and any suggestions if so. And I'm welcome to critics. So please go ahead, share some love, share some hate if at all. And fresh episodes every Tuesday. Please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.